Kuringana na Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri bururi-ini Mutahikagwe, thukuru wa KMTC urihagia arutwo aria mena matanya ma kuruta wira nja wa bururi ciringi 40,000 mbeca iria aingi ao matangihota kuriha.
We must create a structure where not a single Kenyan, a single health worker with an opportunity to work overseas is stopped because of lack of money, lack of financial capability.
Kagwe kiuga arutwo aya mena kihoto gia kwamukira mathomo na kuona mieke ya mawira nja wa bururi, kuona o mwaka makiria ma arutwo 7,000 nio marikagia mathomo mao manathi no makaga mieke ya mawira guku bururi-ini.
You cannot stop somebody from earning nearly 400,000 shillings a month just because they couldn't raise 40,000 shillings in advance. And it is enlightened self-interest that we make sure that those Kenyans who are qualified are given an opportunity irrespective of whether they have got money or they don't have money. If they don't have money, let's have a structure where they can pay later once they become employed.
Kagwe no ahithuritie thirikari iri mutarataraini wa wiguano na mabũrũri ma Saudi Arabia, Italy na Kuwait niguo gwethera arutwo aya meke ya mawira mabũrũri-ini maya.
It's a good thing, and I think that this is a great effort that has been made by the Ministry of Health, working very closely with the Ministry of Labor and other missions overseas, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So we have got opportunities for some young people to go and work in those countries.
Aritie o ari mwena wa Malindi hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara wa watho wa kugitira manathi, murugamiriri munene wa motungata ma urigitani Dr. Patrick Amoth akiuga watho uyu urongoreirie kugacirithia motungata kuri muingi.
We will be able to improve health service delivery in terms of nursing and midwifery scope of practice. And this is all geared towards ensuring that we have quality health systems and quality healthcare services that will be able to impact positively on the health outcomes of the population.
Everything is dependent upon this nurse, and therefore we need to protect the nurse. When she does the services, she's protected. Because we, as we said, we have a case here in Kilifi where a nurse in the remote areas did an HIV test an instant, and she was taken to court by the lab people.
Gatagati ka arutwo 6,000 na 8,000 ni marikagia mathomo mao ma unathi o mwaka bururi-ini.